Hey guys, I'm Jessica and welcome to my channel Not for the Faint Crafted. If you are new, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you a super quick DIY tutorial on how to make these masks, and it literally took me 60 seconds to make, and all you need are two key items. So the first item is you'll need to cut out square fabric from anything. It could be shirts or whatever, as long as the material is breathable, and the measurements for this was roughly 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters. And the reason why I went for that length is when I cut it out is so that when I folded it down in place, it still was enough material to cover the sides of my cheek, the bottom of my chin, as well as the top of my nose. And so once you have your fabric, and the reason why you also want it to be breathable, sorry, before I move on, is because when you're breathing in a mask, you're naturally going to produce condensation because there's a barrier between the material and your mouth. So you want to make sure that it's breathable and you're not breathing in damp air all the time. To hold the mask in place, you'll need two elastic bands. So I went for the actual thin, super stretchy ones, which I had at home already, and that's because these would be more comfortable to sit on your actual ear. Let's say, for example, you don't want to have any bands resting on your ear, that's fine. What you can do is just by adding in a piece of ribbon and a safety pin, you can create an extender so that this can sit on your head instead rather than your ears. But anyway, I will show you how to make this tutorial and I will see you later. So taking your material cut out, you want to then fold both ends to the center so that they are equal in length. And then next you want to then turn this around and fold both ends so that they are again equal in length. And then finally turn it around, and taking your hair bands, you want to then place this at both ends approximately 1/3 of the way. And do that again. And then finally take those tail ends and then fold them into the center, just tugging at those bands at the end. And there you have it, your face mask is ready. So now that your mask is ready, all you need to do is just slot these on your ears, so like so. And then you want to extend the top bit and the bottom bit so that it covers the bottom of your chin and the top of your nose. And then that's basically your mask ready. But I'm just going to first take this off so I can talk. If you find that the bands are uncomfortable in the ears or it's slipping off, then you can create an extension on the mask, just using a piece of ribbon and a pin, and I will show you how to make that now, and that should sit on your head. But if you do find it slipping, then maybe if you've got long hair, tie up a ponytail and then just place the band on the top of the ponytail, just so it avoids it slipping. But I'll show you how to make that now. So taking your ribbon and pin, so with that ribbon you first want to just weave that through each hairband and take both ends and overlap them against one another, and then using that safety pin you want to secure this in place. So it should look something like this. And there you have it, that's all you need to do to add in an extender, and you should be able to place that on your head. Cool, so now your hair mask should look something like this. So to put it on your actual face, all you need to do is just place the mask on your face, pull the strap back and adjust like so. But as you can see, as I mentioned earlier, so because my hair is down, it's starting to slip downwards, the band, and the mask is feeling loose and I can feel air on the bottom. So what I'm going to do is to hold it in place, I'm going to just, if I want my hair down, I'm just going to pull the band to the top of my head, take a hairpin and clip that in place. And if you find that it's not secure enough, you can always add in another hairpin. So I'm going to do that now and secure that in place. So now that feels much better, and you can see, and you can always adjust your hair later. But yeah, that's your hair mask done. thanks for sticking around, guys. If you did like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more how-to videos from me, do click that subscribe button. But yeah, before I do check out, I did want to say a few key points. So this mask is a non-medical mask, and there is no guarantee that you'll be protected from coronavirus by wearing it. It's more so if you're worried about coughing or sneezing around others and you want to slow down the spread of germs through the air. So hopefully that should help in that sense. But again, yeah, there's no guarantee that you'll be protected from coronavirus. And two, so no matter how breathable the fabric is, if you're wearing it for long durations of the time, it will create condensation between the fabric and your mouth and nose area. So avoid wearing these masks for long durations of the time, because breathing in damp air just isn't good for you either. And then three, again, following that second point, you want to make sure that, you know, after every single use, you're washing the fabric and using a new fabric, because again, you don't want to breathe in that dirty air that has been filtered through the mask. So yeah, I hope you did like this video and it's useful for you, and I will see you next time. Stay home, stay safe, and I'll see you later. Bye.